We want from you one plate of food inspired by somebody you admire. That means there's got to be true heart, true feeling in this dish. You've got 2 hours. That's a huge amount of time to show off how good you've become throughout this competition. Because at the end of this, one of you is leaving us. Ladies and gentlemen, let's cook.
My inspiration today was George Michael. Obviously, love his voice, but he not only produced his songs, wrote them all, he was the full package. Just so happens that one of his song titles, I used to change the words to as a child, and it's transpired into today's dish.
Careless Whisper? Yeah. Fantastic.
So I'm actually making essentially a chocolate bar filled with chocolate mousse, and another bar with salted caramel in it, a Greek yoghurt, ice cream, and some caramelised oranges.
Are you going to be ripping your jeans and wearing a leather jacket?
That's what you would like, Greg, definitely.
The amount of work in this little, simple, tiny little bit of bar is enormous. Making a mousse, tempering chocolate, salted caramel, getting all the textures right, and getting it all set in time. You can turn it out and make it look fantastic. If he gets this right, I'm going to be really impressed. Huge amount of ambition in the room. From Winston Churchill to a king of Thailand and a poet from Persia. We're in for a treat.
Looks blingy, looks regal. I like it. I like it.
Two minutes, Kenny. It's like an air raid warning, all right? Time is up. Please, stop.
Thank you. It's amazing. Wicked.
Now I'm in. Bring up your house, please.
In memory of the late King of Thailand, Naomin has made Dad's house. Macadamia and coconut-crusted sea bass, topped with a mix of chili, crispy garlic, ginger and lemongrass in a sweet fish sauce with Thai herbs. Served with songyod rice and a house made from jasmine rice crackers.
The fish is flaking, it's just becoming part of the rice. There are crispy little bits of garlic that give so much flavour. Every now and again, you find a little sliver of chilli, which gives another big burst of heat. That's a wonderful, wonderful collection of flavours.
But on top of the fish, you have a mixture of coconut and macadamia nut, both sweet and salty at the same time. The sweet fish sauce gives you a sweetness first, then quite a pungent sharpness. But that clash, somehow or another, provides real excitement. I think you've done a great job here.
Oh, thank you. It did turn out very well, so now I can go back to my country. So that's a good thing.
Inspired by George Michael's song Careless Whisper, David's made 2 chocolate mousse bars, one flavoured with salted caramel and the other with balsamic reduction and chocolate soil, served with caramelised oranges and Greek yoghurt ice cream.
Why have you broken one in half?
Sorry, I've been careless with my whisper.
Love the shine that sits across the top of your chocolate bar. Points to great skill. I love the mousse texture inside, but you've got the juice of the orange going into the chocolate, then the sour sharpness and the cold going from that yoghurt. It's very, very delicious, and I like it a lot.
That is elegant, smart, and fun. And that, to me, is the epitome of a fantastic dessert.